What if I told you that right now, you are sitting on a gold mine without even realizing it? In the next few minutes, you will discover exactly how to start earning money online using artificial intelligence tools in 2025. No coding skills required, no need to spend money up front, and no waiting around for the perfect idea to strike. Let's dive straight into the details. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword or a passing trend. In 2025, it is your new co-founder, your secret weapon, and your shortcut to success. The people making real money are not necessarily the ones building these tools, but those who are using them smartly. Imagine automating blog posts, creating art instantly, or generating ad copy with just a simple prompt. The possibilities are endless, but only if you know how to harness them. Here is the first step. Do not focus on the tools themselves. Instead, focus on the problems you can solve. Find one painful, boring, or time-consuming task that people hate doing. It could be writing LinkedIn posts, editing YouTube videos, or responding to direct messages. If it is annoying and repetitive, artificial intelligence can handle it, and people will pay you to make that problem disappear from their lives. You do not need to buy 10 different subscriptions or invest in expensive software. Start with free, beginner-friendly tools that take less than an hour to learn. Use ChatGPT free for content creation and brainstorming ideas. Try Canva AI for designing social media posts. Explore Runway ML for quick video edits. Use Notion AI to automate writing tasks. You do not need to be a developer. Just stay curious and willing to learn. Here is the trick that separates doers from dreamers. Do not overthink. Build fast and test even faster. Instead of waiting for a perfect business plan, offer your service to one person right now. For example, say, "Hey, I use artificial intelligence to help founders write viral LinkedIn posts. Want to try it free?" If it works, you have a product. If not, you learn, pivot, and try again. Speed beats perfection every time. Once you have solved a problem with artificial intelligence, do not keep it to yourself. Post your results, share your wins, and talk about your process. Whether it is LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, or YouTube, start building your visibility. For example, share that you created 30 reels using artificial intelligence in 15 minutes, or helped a creator write 20 emails using ChatGPT. This builds trust and establishes your brand. People hire visible experts, not quiet geniuses. Now that you have found a problem, solved it with artificial intelligence, and shown your results, how do you turn this into income? There are 4 smart ways. Consulting, where you teach others how to use artificial intelligence tools. Offering done-for-you services like emails, designs, or videos. Creating products such as templates or prompt packs. And building content to monetize with ads or affiliate links. Start with one approach and stack the rest over time. The artificial intelligence revolution is here, and you do not need to be a tech wizard to benefit. All you need is this formula. Find a problem, use an artificial intelligence tool, execute quickly, and make your work visible. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech and artificial intelligence secrets that can change your future. Catch you in the next one.